What is that sound? If that is a spirit, come out. If this is an attempt to communicate, then you have my attention. Perhaps good night. Perhaps it's a mouse. I just heard something then out the front here. Sound like coming from this way. I thought I might have been tripping out, but then I had the exact same sound again after I'd spoken. I'm not like most other people. If you speak, I'll probably hear you. You don't have to get my attention by making sounds I don't recognise. If you need to speak, ask me now, what is it you want? That's your choice to speak, it's up to you. But like I said, have a good night.